Dear students, thank you for joining classes. Today we also have some health verbs or phrasal verbs in healthcare or health or medical industry or medical field, whatever you like. And we have Dr. Milica with us, so she will help us answer some quizzes and I'll give you some hints and hopefully it will serve you in your studies. So let me share the screen. So thank you, Milica, for joining us again. Okay, so hopefully we can see, yes, all right. So medical terminology, phrasal verbs. So this task is think of an appropriate phrasal verb. Okay, so now it's shared screen, so phrasal verbs in healthcare. So these are some photos just to give you some help with your simulation or imagination and hopefully for medical interpreters. So you are in the intensive care unit or ICU. And the nurse says, Yui, so person's name is Yui, patient's name is Yui, shall I say, Yui will stay in the ICU for another day or so one more day or a couple of days. And doctor says the recovery is steady. Okay, so she's improving, her condition is slowly improving. So you have A, B, C. A is recover, B is will be okay, and C is pull through. Okay, Milica, so can you have a guess? Which one do you think would be a good phrasal verb in this situation for ICU?
In this situation, the verb will be pull through.
Yes, thank you very much. So she will recover, pull through, get better, and then maybe they will move the patient to another unit where she's not with all this machinery around her. Okay, thank you very much. And then we have situation 2. And this one is snowboarding. So maybe now it's summer, so hopefully in winter, maybe some of you can go snowboarding. It's very popular in Japan, I'm sure in Europe as well. So this one is at the orthopedics clinic. And Ray says, I went snowboarding and then I've sprained my left foot. So she got an injury. Yeah. And doctor says, yes, I can see some inflammation. Okay. And then for phrasal verb, we have this is more noun. Okay. Infection, and B is swell up, and C is redness. Okay, Milica, have a guess.
I think the foot is swollen, so the phrasal verb would be swell up.
Yes, thank you very much. So swelling up. So infection is more noun. So usually inflammation can happen as a result of infection. Or in this case, obviously it's a sport injury. So redness, yes, it could be red, but there is some swelling up and needs some treatment. Thank you very much. Great, excellent. And then third situation we have at the dermatology clinic. So derma means skin. So if we're going to the skin doctor, and this is you, so my skin is itching and red, I need some cream, okay, or maybe ointment, and doctor says I'll prescribe you an ointment to help with that. Okay, so we have an option of clearing up, so to clear up, B is to relieve pain or symptoms, and C is to recover. Okay, Milica, have a go.
The skin will clear up.
Yes, that's right. It will clear up. Great. So in dermatology, we use a lot for any infections, any eczema or any kind of redness or itchiness. Usually we say clear up. Relieve is usually used to relieve pain, help with pain, and recover is just generally patient getting better. Okay, perfect. And then we're going, so many of my students are studying at university, so on campus situation. And again, we have Yui talking to her friend Mia. So he says, keep away from me, Mia, you can't stop sneezing, or you can't stop sneezing. And Mia says, you'll get well soon, catch you later. And then we have an option of A is heal, B is flare up, and C is get over. Okay, Milica, have a go.
She'll get over the cold.
Okay, thank you very much. Yes, so heal is more like when you have a wound or something, if you made a cut or something like that. Flare up was the opposite, when the situation, temperature or whatever situation or eczema or something flares up, and get over is recover or get better. Okay, thank you. And one more. So we have some virus. Hopefully not a scary one. So situation is friends chat, and we have Anna and Ina. And hi Ina, how have you been? And Ina says, I've been struggling with the viral illness. And then we have some option of A is fight off, B is treating, and C is immunotherapy. Okay, now let's have a go.
She's fighting off with the virus, so
Yes,
the
thank
verb
you.
would be fight off.
Mhm. Yes, thank you very much. That's right. She's fighting off, so struggling, fighting off the virus. So, yes, treating is more when you try to help with something, and immunotherapy it's actually a noun. So this is could be used for, I don't know, a cancer treatment, etc. Okay, so these are some of the phrasal verbs. So I'll just stop sharing the screen. Just 1 second. If it works, yes, it works. So students, I hope you had, a lot of you commented that phrasal verbs are a bit difficult in the class for the medical interpreting. So I hope this will help you maybe connect or with some synonyms, some similar verbs that you can use. And let's ask Milica for any comment. You have some comment or anything?
It's a really interesting way to learn phrasal verbs. So I wish all of you good luck.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Milica. So I hope you can all learn and maybe you can all become, of course, medical interpreters, but why not medical doctors? So thank you, Milica, for your precious time. I know you're very busy and I hope this will serve for someone to study. So thank you very much and see you next time. Okay, bye.